All right, today we're going to talk about, do old videos ever take off later? Can you get that growth after months and months and months? So I believe this channel, we're talking about May 2025 today. I believe I'm at 2 years and a month. I think I started in April of 2023. We're going to go into a couple of videos after going through just a few analytics really quick. So first off, main screen, this channel, I currently only publish long form, but I still get views from my shorts, my old shorts. Some of them, in fact, have done very well. Quick look here. This is a mixture of longs and shorts. Let's just go into the long form because that personally is what I care about right now. Okay, so just a quick look at long form content in May. Average percentage viewed, 31%. Watch time hours, 46.5. Views, 873. Impressions, just under 20,000 with a click-through rate of 3% and my average view duration being 3 minutes and 11 seconds. This month, I published 5 videos. Now, the 5 videos I published actually are right here, 2, and 5. So the top video for views for this month is an old video from May of 2024. And then below that, my next best video is this one from October of 2024. Okay, so the 5 right here, none of them got amazing views. 79 to 39, nothing too great, nothing too crazy there. Okay, I will say this one, oh wait, I'm sorry. This one is an old one actually. Scratch that. That one is dad supporting wife after baby. I did a new one similar to it. This one's been doing well, that's why I did this one. Down here, sure, kids are expensive. That's my other May video. Okay, sorry about that. So let's take a deeper look. I'm going to first talk about my best video of the month, which again is an old video. Okay, so just looking at the overall stats, 250 views. This is since it was published today or yesterday, whatever the date is. And let's just take a look here. In the first 100 days, this video only got 27 views. 200 days. It just got a few more. It's about 42 views. Let's go 300 days, 98. And we have not hit 400 days yet. We're at about a year, so about 365. All right, same with the hours. I mean, at 212 days old, it had 1 hour. Now we're at 13. All right, we are seeing some growth here. This is in the last 48 hours. I've gotten 10 views. Okay, and let's just take another look at it. So lifetime, looking at it this way, sometimes this graph is easier to see the amount of views versus seeing that graph. So just look at how it's doing now. Let's say, let's do it by 2024, 45 views. Now 2025, about 200 views. All right, so an old video can take off. Now this one is about a specific jogger stroller. It is getting found via search, okay? Just for interest and basically just to let you know what's going on there. Now, let's go back and see that next best performing video. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do the dad's one. This is the old dad one. I made a new one. Okay, so in May of 2025, it got 39 views. This video is from July of 2023. So this is one of my first videos, all right, within my first couple months of posting. It's a shorter video, not super long, but it's doing well. All right, let's go ahead and let's do since published. Okay, so right off the bat, it got about 80 views quickly. Here is a year. It went from 80 views to 101, so about 20 views gained. And now it's at 418, and we are under 2 years. So that's amazing. Let's go ahead and just let's do 2024. Now this was published in 2023, but just to see, there's 2024, there's 2025. I mean, I'm thrilled about this. Okay, this just shows you the hours you can gain from an old video. And then let's hit that other one, the twins baby registries. So baby registries, I had that separate channel number 3. They're coming back to Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life. You will see them in June. So May, I took a break from them. And now this one is an old one. Let's see, it is October of 2024. Okay, so it's not a year old yet. It's about 9 months old, give or take. Let's just go ahead and do since published. So right off the bat, it got about 20 views. 150 days, we're at like 60 views. And now we're up to like 162. All right, so let's just look at even the last 90 days. Let's see how much watch time we've gained. 8 hours. That's not bad. If a lot of your videos can get this watch time, You might have 100 videos on your channel. If every video every month can get you 1 hour, that's 100 hours from those old videos. Then ideally your new videos are getting fresh new hours as well. This is where people say YouTube is a snowball, okay? And you got to get that channel going and get content out there and on there. Now, let me just show you a video that is not getting that beautiful curve. All right, so, okay, let's take this video for example. This video is, 400 days old. It hasn't taken off, okay? It got about 150 views and now 400 days later, 183. So this is one where you're not getting that beautiful curve where it goes up. People say a hockey stick or whatever shape you want to call it. This is not one of those videos. And this video is not getting me the help I need it to get me. So just take, for example, in the last 90 days, 3 months, what have I got? 6 views on this. Basically worthless. In watch time hours, that is 0.6. Okay, so I need more. Okay, I need an hour a month per video. I need more. This isn't not even an hour and it's 3 months of content and time. We want those hockey stick videos. I don't know exactly how to tell you how to make them. Okay, but what I will tell you is if you make enough videos, eventually some of your videos will get you that hockey stick. They will get you views even years later, hundreds of days later, months later, whatever it is. It can add up, it can multiply, and don't delete those videos. Don't give up on those videos. All right, there's still hope for them and there is still a chance for growth. And then the final thing I want to share with you, again, this channel is just over 2 years old. In my Earn tab where I'm striving for monetization, I am currently at 411 subscribers and I am almost at 1,100 watch time hours. I'm at 1,099. I'm feeling very stuck on watch time hours and very stuck on subscribers. All right, I've not seen a lot of growth in this area in the past few months. January and February, even March, I did great. March started tapering off, I guess, to be fair. I did a pantry challenge. It went really, really well. And then March died off. April really died off. May, not overly impressive. What did I say I had? About 46.5 watch time hours for the month? That's not enough. We need about 333 per month. So June, we are going to kick it off with about 8 or 9 videos. We're doing 2 a week, Mondays and Thursdays, I believe. We're bringing baby registries back and we are going to give this channel one last really good boost. Mama needs to start making some money for the family. I need all the hours I'm pouring into all these videos to pay off in some way, shape, or form. I've been working for free for way too long for YouTube. I do want to see some monetization. So we're going to keep working on it and we're going to push really hard on this channel and see what we can do. All right, so come back and check out June and hopefully we will see better numbers. Until then, I hope you have a great day and I will see you in the next video.